use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh wow!
Yeah, I'm working on new doors.
That'll help.
I got a DSP now.
Okay.
And I'm trying to figure out how to program it.
And those 18s?
Yeah, I got all 4 in here.
Wow. 4 NSV 418s.
Yeah, we didn't get to talking ruckus with the so busy.
How much amp power?
468 half on. I was clamping probably 66100 a piece, something like that.
How thick is that glass?
1.25 inches.
Man, awesome job. So this door is gonna look like that here?
Yep.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna put some more somewhere. I don't know where. Put them here or something.
Somewhere, yeah.
These are the cheapest ones they make too.
This?
So I got to add some tweeters in.
Yep. All right.
It is. It's always a work in progress.
That's right. Yep. Does it do best with the windows down?
Usually 26 to 28, somewhere in the range. Yeah, it may have changed a little bit. This DSP has actually made it sound better to me.
Really? Okay.
It's added a little more impact to it.
Yeah.
But I still got to spend some more time programming. So.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I love it. It's
awesome.
And I get good feedback. I appreciate you too.
Yeah. And this is insane the way you fabricated it in. Is it leaking right here?
Yeah, on both sides.
Both sides? You still got work?
What's
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. It was really impressive to see him fit 4 18-inch subwoofers in a car. And this is actually the third time I've met him at a show. He showcased this at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Went ahead and show you the previous video link in the description. I recommend you checking out. This was the thumbnail of the time of that. He's done a couple of tweaks and changes since then. So go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Definitely a lot of positive things to say. I really like the way he has his viewing, so you can see from the back and sides of the car into the box as the subs reflect. You're going to see later my wife got some good outside flex with the subs playing. Having 1.25 inches is the thickness of the glass, he was saying, really didn't flex much at all. He had it really well bolted down. And there's a couple little things he still had to complete in this enclosure, but really unique to see. 2 subwoofers in the back mounted regular, 2 subs in the front were inverted, so he probably had reverse polarity for 2 of the subs, because during the demo you could tell they were all in phase correctly. And on the back, the amplifiers at half ohm. At first I thought these were the 7500 watt amps, but they are actually the 6000s. The previous video I actually had the description wrong. I thought they were 7.5Ks. So pretty powerful system. And this is definitely doing over a 160 decibel on music. And of course, I didn't find out what the SPL score was, but I know he's probably burping over a 162 when he turns it up all the way. Really nice design of the port for this 4th order enclosure. Yes, there is a sealed section hidden underneath those subs. Probably tuned around the low 40 hertz range, being a 4th order enclosure, and a really solid brace to make sure the glass didn't pop. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this impressive demo. sneeze, sorry.
Yeah.
That is brutal, man.
Yeah, I like it.
What frequency does it do best with the windows down?
Usually 26 to 28, somewhere in
What
the range. Yeah. It may have changed a little bit. This DSP has actually made it sound better to me.
Really? Okay.
It's added a little more impact to it.
Yeah.
But I still got to spend some more time programming. So.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I love it. It's
Awesome.
and I get good feedback. I appreciate you too.
Yeah. All right, thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
That was awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.